Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nabeel Ahmed, and today I will show you the Decorate service website. In this website, I use HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap JavaScript. Uh, you can see the menu bar, home, about, what we do, testimonials, contact us. You can see there is a beautiful logo which I add this, and there is a search bar, and there is a contact us. There is a search bar, you can search each and everything. And if I move, and there is a slide menu bar and contact us button. You can see what we do. We do home decorate service, office decorate, furniture decorate, and lightning decorate. And read more, then we move forward. About section. In about section, then best decorating for your home, get a code. I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Latest news. If you guys like the news, then you can like. Here is a like button, comment button, and share button. Request a call block. Your name, phone number, email, and message. You can write and submit to the send button. Testimonials. Here I use 3 testimonials. Then menu bar, last, footer. In menu, home, about, service, what we do, testimonials, contact us, location, call, demo, and subscribe. Instagram also I add. If we go to the menu bar, then nav bar, I will design this beautiful through CSS. About section, if we move, then here is about section, office decorate, and best home decorate, best office lighting. There is about section. And if we move, what we do, then here also, then we testimonials, and last, contact us, which I show you the contact us form, request a call block. So guys, I will show you the coding. If you want this beautiful and responsive project, you can contact me and comment your email, where I can show you. If I move the inspect element, you can see also their responsiveness. And I will show you the code. Here is the code of HTML. I mostly use body and divs. I use links for CSS and JavaScript, Bootstrap. And there is a code of 545 lines of HTML code. And here I use CSS, and here I use different fonts. And this is CSS code is 8,987 lines of CSS code, just because of this responsiveness website. And in on JavaScript file, I use maximum 500 lines of code. So guys, this is a website, Avonie and Decorate services. You can see home decorate, office decorate, furniture decorate, lightning decorate, and so on. So guys, if you want this website through HTML CSS project for beginners, you can comment your email and I will send you a drive file or a document file or a WinRAR file for you. You can see the buttons also. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.